You probably have questions and concerns about cryptocurrency. Maybe you don't know what it is. So to help answer some of those, we are joined now by Laila Maidan, an investigating correspondent for Business Insider. Laila, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So I know it's pretty complicated, but can you simplify it for us? What is crypto?
Well, cryptocurrency is the currency that a blockchain uses to transact. So the next question would be, well, what is a blockchain? You could think of a blockchain as the third layer of, or another layer on the internet. So Web 1, when the internet first came to town, was just able to read. You could read, a website, but that's all. And then Web 2 came, which allowed us to transact with the internet, like create social media pages and interact with the internet, create websites. Web 3, which is the third phase of the internet, is the ability to transact directly between each other using the blockchain. And the currency that we use on the blockchain is cryptocurrency. And for every blockchain, it has its own type of cryptocurrency. So I hope that helps clarify it a little bit.
Yeah, each type has its own cryptocurrency. That includes FTX. We'll get to that. How does FTX play into this? What is it, and why does its collapse have such a big impact on the crypto space?
Well, FTX was one of the largest exchanges globally, I believe maybe fourth in the world. And FTX is like a regular exchange. So think of it like stocks. So the New York Stock Exchange that allows you to transact and buy and sell shares. FTX was that way for cryptocurrencies. So the collapse of FTX really has nothing to do with crypto itself, because if that company was allowing customers to buy and sell stocks, then it would have impacted the stock market just the same way. And it had billions of dollars of client assets transacting on it. And so the collapse was a shock to the crypto sector, because when a lot of other firms collapsed earlier this year, FTX was sort of the savior of all these other crypto firms, swooping in to pay their debt and save them and buy them out. So we all thought that it was the blue chip of, the crypto sector. And so, Sam himself was also helping policymakers understand this sector to regulate it. So when it turns out that they were committing fraud themselves, of course, it's going to come as a shock.
Well, let me ask you, for the folks that might be considering it, is it safe? Does FTX collapse? Does that mean you should stay away, or is there still some safe crypto investing you can do out there?
Well, blockchain technology in and of itself is a beautiful technology that has a lot of solutions to provide humanity as a whole, and crypto is a great way to invest in that technology. However, this space is still new and it's still being regulated. So while there are safer ways of investing in cryptocurrency, there's no sure, safe way. If you want to decide on maybe which exchange you can use to interact and buy crypto, you can maybe consider publicly traded companies like Coinbase, for example, who has to do their quarterly earnings. They have to release their earnings quarterly, for example. Or
if there are publicly traded companies like that, they're going to have a little bit more regulation, so maybe you can trust them a little bit more. I appreciate the breakdown. Unfortunately, we got to go. Laila, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.